disc brushed process is preceded by the professional technicians. After finishing this step, we will put them in specialized degrease water tank. The first rinse, and then is for filming surface process. The second rinse. Quickly dry the disc after rinsing. Our professional technicians will use high temperature resistant nano coating to operate the painting process. After the wheels are well mixed painted, putting into the oven in 170 degrees high heat for 24 minutes. Next, use powder clear coat on wheels and bake for another 24 minutes. It will make the gloss on the surface much more delicate. We use the original imported TQC cross-cut cutter from Netherlands to examine. And we also use 3M Scotch cellophane film tape to evaluate the adherence. Based on Japan JISK 5400 to 1990 standard to do the painting impact test. This can make sure the products can completely meet the requirement of painting quality for surface layer process.